guys, welcome back to our channel. Thanks for being here. If you've been following along, then you know that Jason and I are doing a farmhouse renovation. The first room we're doing is an office build. We got this fourth wall finished up a couple days ago. Since then, Jason's got the beams stripped down. They look so good. I didn't know they could look so good. Got a little bit more work on that yet. We changed out the outlets from white to brown for the switches on the outlets. And he replaced this switch from 2 singles to a double. Oh, he also put these lights in, these can lights. And did that. Wired in for a fan. So that's the update, and we'll see where it goes from here. I'm sanding the boards for the top planks, and once the top planks go in, we can finish the last sanding on the beams. After that's done, the whole room's gonna get cleaned out. We'll wipe everything down. Everything will get lacquered, and then we can start.
The entire downstairs has to be cleaned. Absolutely, every square inch of this place is gonna have to be cleaned, because when we go to lacquer it, any kind of wind or pressure or anything, and you can see, like right now we have a pressure blowing out, but these windows are blowing in. You can watch the plastic, it moves.
Yeah, it's gonna be
any bit of dust that gets kicked up into that air, any bit of it is gonna go into that lacquer. So we are gonna probably spend an entire weekend just cleaning.
Yeah, everything's covered in dust, but after that point, we'll be able to start on the ceiling. It's so close.
Oh, we're close. Yeah,
There's still a lot of work though.
Just get this stupid wood done.
Yeah.
I love the wood. I'm so happy that we did it. I am ready to move on.
Yeah.
I've had enough.
Yeah, I've had enough of all the sawdust. You just come in covered in it.
Oh, it's all through the camper. It's all through the washer. It's everywhere.
It's everywhere.
Is everywhere.
It looks really good though.
Yeah.
I love how it turned out.
Turned out very nice. Very, very nice.
Hi guys, it's now Sunday. Yesterday you saw we were getting the junction box in so we could get our top planks on the sidewalls. The board we had for the one sidewall, it had to be notched out in like 4 or 5 different places so it could fit up around the beams. And when we did that, apparently our measurements were off because it didn't fit. So that piece had to get scrapped and we have to start all over again. So Jason went over to the farmhouse this morning to get started on that. I'm over here in the camper doing a little deep clean because we had found a mousey was getting in underneath of our sink, coming up through where the pipes come through. So we had to spray foam that hole, and I had to clean out under the sink and a drawer down here, so that took a while. Okay guys, got all my cleaning done. My goals this morning were to get all of the drawers cleaned out from the mouse and to scrub the shower. So that's done. Right now I want to go over and see what Jason's got going on and if I can help him with anything. So let's go. Feels warm.
it's capped and it's done. Honestly, it's really all I care.
Yeah.
I just want it to be done.
So we're working on this side now then, or?
Yep.
You got it. Now I just gotta do the other side. See all those beams you had to notch around? That's the issue we were having yesterday. So that side's done. Now time to do this side. Alright, Jason's gonna finish putting the top plank on this wall. Here's our board. He's got the notches cut out to go around the beams. And then while he does that, I am going to do the finish sanding on these beams. So it'll be the last sanding for the beams, and we can start cleaning up. Look how bad they were before. And look how good they turned out. I can't believe they look as good as they do. Especially that one.
There's a couple of them that are that nice looking.
Yeah. Alright.
And then my drill. And then my drill's on the table, right in the middle by the sander. And then my drill pouch, right by the router bit. There should be a bit. This one? No. You pull this thing out, and then just push the bit in.
Here's Jason's blueprint. He had it on his head and then decided to write it down. So that's what we're going off of.
That was just for the electric and the lights. That was everything in my head.
Alright, got that one in. Last board. Last board.
Shoot it.
Alright, so you see we got the wood done, which is so exciting. So happy to finally have all the walls done and be done with the wood. Jason is running into town. I'm gonna stay and start the final sanding of the beams, one step at a time. I'm gonna get started on the sanding.